So a couple months back, I decided to set up a home theater PC, which is working out quite well, but I needed myself a keyboard. And a wired one would not work very well, so I needed a wireless one. So I decided to go to my local Staples and pick up a wireless keyboard, and that keyboard was the Logitech K400r. And this is going to be my review of it. So stay tuned until the end and I'll tell you if you should buy it or not. I no longer have the box for this keyboard, but in the box you will find the keyboard itself, a manual, 2 AA batteries I believe, and a wireless dongle for this keyboard. The first thing you'll notice when picking up this keyboard is just how light it is. Probably due to the fact that it's all plastic, which is not a bad thing. If say you have dirt or something on it or a smudge, you can just wipe it off and you're good to go. So yeah, but that's also the reason why it's fairly affordable at around $30 Canadian, and US sometimes goes up to 40, but around that price range. On the left side and on the right side you will find nothing at all. On the back you will find a slot for 2 AA batteries, as well as a little compartment for your USB dongle when you're not using it. On the front of the device you will find an on and off switch and nothing else. On the front of the device, where the keyboard is actually located, you will find the keyboard itself, some keys at the top, and to the right you will find a touchpad with 2 buttons. Looking closely at the keyboard, on the row where there is escape and the function keys, you will also find media playback keys such as play, pause, speed up, volume up, down, mute. You can also use it for print screen. At the bottom you will also see that this is designed for a Windows machine, but you can also use it on a Mac because I've used it. And you also have where the arrow keys are: page up, page down, home. If you're wondering how this keyboard sounds when you're typing, here is a quick clip of me typing. As you saw in the clip, typing on this keyboard is fairly nice, normal, nothing too exquisite, you could say. The travel time, it's alright, like a normal membrane keyboard, and the sound sounds fairly nice actually, surprisingly. One thing I forgot to talk about is the fact that there are rubber feet on the back, so when you're typing, the keyboard will not move. If you're still wondering if you should buy this or not, I'm going to say you should. It's fairly inexpensive, it's durable, and it's lightweight. All the 4 categories are checked off when it comes to buying a wireless keyboard for your home theater PC. So in my books, it's very good, and I'm probably going to be buying another one for my other PC for my other room. This is now the end of the video. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It really means a lot, and the fact that we reached 10,000 views on this channel and 18 subs. It really is amazing. I never thought I'll get like 1 subscriber and like let alone like 10 views. But like the fact that I have like 10,000 views now, that's ridiculous. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked it, then subscribe, like it if you guys liked it also, and yeah, peace. See you guys in the next one.